Okay, let's try to factor this difference of two cubes, and I'm going to go over this step by step to make sure you understand how you would find what's A and what's B. So in this case, I want to try to write this as 3 to the power 3 minus, open parentheses, 2z to the power 3. So if I write the difference of cubes formula, it's a cube minus b cube equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So what I meant by once you identify a and b, what does that mean? In this case, you notice that I'm given the formula a cube minus b cube. So a cube will go to a, b cube will go to b. And then I'm working in terms of a and b. So I square a, multiply a times b, then I square b. So in this case, given this difference of two cubes here, if I can identify that a is 3 and b is 2z, so if I can identify that a in this case is 3 and b is 2z, then all it takes is substitute a equals 3 and substitute b equals 2z in the pattern or in the formula, and then you are all set, you know. So what is a squared? 3 squared would be 9. What is a times b? 3 times 2z would be 6z. And what is b squared? B squared is 2z times 2z, which is 4z squared. And you are all set. This would be the final answer. So as you see here, would be my final answer. So this is it. That would be the final answer. Okay, again, once you have the, whether it's the difference of cube, sum of cube, or difference of two squares, write the formula, identify what is a, identify what is b, and then plug it in, or replace a by its value, replace b by its value, and square if you need to square, multiply if you need to multiply, square if you need to square, and that would be the final answer. You can always go back and check by multiplying. 3 times 9 is 27, 3 times 6z is 18z, and then 3 times 4z squared is 12z squared. Negative 2z times 9 is negative 18z. Negative 2z times 6 is negative 12z squared. And finally, negative 2z times 4z squared is negative 8z cubed. Notice here that we start simplifying. The 8z, 18z, and the minus 18z, they cancel. The 12z squared and the minus 12z squared. And of course, we came back to the original question, 27 minus 8z cubed, which is what we were trying to factor.